Google Analytics. Google Analytics is the best tool for monitoring the traffic on your site. You can follow the number of site entries, visits, follow how many people behave on your site, check from which country your traffic comes from, see with what keywords the people come to your page, how much time on average people spend on your page, which search engines, devices, resolutions they use, and many more. To start working with this tool, go to Google and enter Google Analytics and click on the first position which appeared. To use this tool, you have to be signed in to your Google account. When the site is uploaded, go to the Admin tab and then in the Property column, choose Create New Property. If you have never before worked with this tool, then after entering the menu, you should have only this option. In my case, you see many other sites, which I added to the Google Analytics. In the next step which appeared to you, you have to enter the name of your site, which will be visible to you in this tool, so as to recognize the specific site statistics. Then, enter the URL address of your website, but without HTTP. If you own an HTTPS site, choose this option. Then, choose a category to which belongs your site and the time zone. When you enter everything, please press Get Tracking ID. The system will generate you an individual tracking code. To start the Google Analytics work, you have to paste the generated code to the site file header.php in the head section. If you don't know how to do it, I will tell you this in a moment. Go to the Administrator panel on your site. Choose from the left menu Appearance and the Editor. When the site will upload in the right menu, search for the file header.php. Now search in the code where the section head starts and paste in this section the generated code from Google Analytics. Save changes and use the statistics. You can now analyze the traffic on your site in Google Analytics. The data in the tool are updated once a day.
Now I will show you on what you should focus on during the process of analysis of your traffic and where you should look for the specific data. As a start page, you will see something like this. On the top there is a chart which shows the amount of unique users who visited your site. You can set the hourly, monthly, weekly, or monthly chart according to what you want to analyze. The next important thing is the analysis of the average time which the user spends on your site. The longer the time, the better for your position in Google and the conversion on your site. In my case, it is almost 3 minutes, which is a quite good result. If your average time is low, then you should think how to get the attention of users so that they stay longer on your page. One of the possibilities is writing longer posts and adding movies, thanks to which you will increase this time. Next, we have the bounce rate chart, which is also a very important chart, but I recorded a separate lesson about it, so I will omit this issue now. Below, we can analyze our traffic regarding the demography, meaning, for example, what language is used by the people entering your site or from what country they are. Next, we can analyze what web browser or operation systems use your visitors, and at the bottom of the site, we have the option of the analysis of the mobile traffic. In the menu on the left-hand side, in the Audience tab, and then Mobile, we can check what percentage of the traffic you get from the desktop devices and what percentage from mobile. At the same time, you can compare the time spent on the site and the bounce ratio between the traffic from the desktop and mobile devices. In the Acquisition tab, you can check from what sources you get the traffic to your site. If you click on one of them, you can check the precise source of your traffic. In the Behavior tab, Site Content, you can check of which your tabs are mostly visited, and which should be the better promoted. Next, in the Behavior flow, you can analyze how the users move on your site. A very useful and user-friendly is the In-Page Analytics tab, thanks to which, in a graphic way, the Google Analytics shows us which elements of the site are mostly clicked by the people, and we can correct the malfunctioning elements of the site. The last tab is the Conversions tab, thanks to which you can analyze the conversion of your site after the proper configuration of the site.